This sun-damaged Gameboy DMG is the last item in my $20 yard sale Gameboy lot. If you want to see my work on these other Gameboys, be sure to check out the playlist on my channel. Anyways, let's fix this DMG. I'm going to start by disassembling the console. 6 dry wing screws hold the back of the console in place, and I'm going to remove them using my iFixit screwdriver. I'll list all of the tools that I use in the description of this video. Once we get inside, we need to remove the ribbon cable holding the two boards together. Then we'll use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the motherboards. I'm going to remove these corroded battery contacts and soak them in vinegar to remove all of the corrosion. I'm going to clean the shell to prepare it for when we need to remove the yellowing. To return the shell to its original color, I'm going to soak it in hydrogen peroxide and leave it sit in UV light. Back inside, you can see the vinegar worked really well and these battery contacts look like new. I'm going to clean the motherboard with isopropyl alcohol. I left the shell outside for about a day, and here's what it looked like afterwards. As you can see, it's not entirely perfect, but I think it turned out pretty well. I'm going to clean up the bottom membranes so that they make a good connection. Then I'll reassemble the console. As you can see, it works perfectly, and it turned out looking pretty nice too. This is the end of the $20 Game Boy yard sale lot series, and to be honest, I think it turned out pretty well. This isn't the end though, because just the other day I did get more retro gaming tech at a yard sale. I can't wait to show you guys what I got, so stay subscribed to see what it is. Although if you want a sneak peek, take a look on my Instagram, I posted a picture of it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.